Crashers in the cryptocurrency market are predicting that this one will be much worse than Black Monday. Is this, however, simply an attempt by whales to deter normal investors from purchasing SHIB and other crypto meme coins? We will discover. No one who has SHIB tokens or has even a passing interest in Shiba Inu should miss this video. What then has recently transpired with Shiba Inu coins? How does this whole situation impact the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I'll address these concerns and fill you in on all the recent news that has increased the value of Shiba Inu. This movie is the result of extensive research on my part. Therefore, you won't want to miss a thing, so keep watching till the very end. 1 million Shiba tokens are up for grabs every day on this channel, which brings us up to speed. To participate, simply subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below using the hashtag #ShibaInu. Hope everything works out. But first, let's check out the chart to see how the Shiba price is doing on April 7th before we dive into our issue, shall we? Approximately 1,102 units are being sold today as Shiba Inu. With a trading volume of $439 million in just 24 hours, the price of Shiba has dropped 8%. Also, with a market worth of more than $6.5 billion, the token is presently the 19th most valuable cryptocurrency. It is possible that these prices will have changed by the time you view this video. This is not a recommendation for your financial situation. Into today's video we shall go. The Shiba Inu ICE has a 55% chance of increasing in value after the third Shibarium layer update. Several technical crypto specialists are of the opinion that Shiba Inu's prolonged downturn may be coming to an end, as a potential rebound rally might be triggered by concealed bullish divergence. This is happening as the bear market in Bitcoin, driven by Trump's tariffs, has slowed and the price has stabilized at $83,000. The popular Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, which features an image of a Japanese hunting dog, has found its footing at 12 units. However, numerous challenges stand in the path of the ascent. One possible turning point for the meme coin may be at 14 units, because there are 551.99 trillion SHIB tokens in circulation, which is roughly 94% of all circulating coins, and this price level provides a resistance line. Even if this resistance bubble has the potential to become significant support, Shiba Inu would require consistent trading volume on spot markets to achieve this. Based on the Shiba Inu price chart and the momentum oscillator, crypto analyst Javan Marks predicts that SHIB could reach 81 units due to a hidden bullish divergence. The 200 million daily trading volume is 4 times lower than Pepe tokens and 8 times lower than Dogecoin, the leading meme coin. The 10% price drop over the last 30 days following Shiba Inu's precipitous decline is closely associated with geopolitical concerns and global trade tariffs, which limit the short-term potential of cryptocurrencies and the stock market. Shiba Inu Group reveals shocking info about Layer 3. Update: with a twofold update on Shibarium, the holding community is in for some exciting moments right here in Shiba Inu's own yard. The Layer 3 blockchain developed by Shiba Inu makes use of state-of-the-art fully homomorphic encryption to safeguard users' digital identities and other private information while they are online. With FHE as their backbone, companies may safely do business online without compromising their customers' personal information. By allowing decentralized apps to use your encoded data without seeing it, the notion of completely homomorphic encryption ensures privacy from the user's point of view on Web3. At the same time, the new Shibarium Karma network will provide consumers with crypto benefits as a reward for using the existing Layer 2 solution for Shiba Inu. The official Karma of Shibarium is currently being tested on the PuppyNet testnet. It rewards users who engage in various on-chain activities, including as liquid staking, NFT trading, digital art, and Web3 gaming. Please, if you are still here, hit that like button. Your support means the world to me. You can support the channel without spending a dime. If you want to know what's happening with Shiba Inu and where the currency could go from here, you'll have to see the show. Can Shibarium produce a 60% increase? As the network develops and grows, the models used to forecast the price of Shibarium are looking more and more promising. Shibarium is supposedly at a promising stage of development, according to a popular social media post from recently. According to the latest Shibarium news, the platform has entered a new period of development when it will focus on building its infrastructure and providing practical benefits to users. Expanding your network. The network has unquestionably had some impressive development as of late, which is driving the Shiba Inu price objective. Over 1 billion transactions have been processed thus far, up from 948 million only a month ago. In addition, there will soon be 200 million addresses in total. Right now it's around 194.59 million. The total amount of gas consumed by the network has likewise reached an astounding 38 trillion bones. The price goal for Shiba Inu is highly dependent on this growth. The overall quantity of Shiba is gradually reduced over time when network fees collected in bone are partially converted to them and subsequently destroyed. Having said that, the total locked value of Shibarium is still a meager $2.17 million. Indeed, it remains smaller than other more recent networks like Base and Verichain. The meat of today's video is about to begin. The Shiba Inu price prediction for April 30, 2025 according to ChatGPT. Recently, Shiba Inu, the meme-inspired cryptocurrency that has gained a lot of popularity, has been somewhat volatile. Shiba is now trading at 1,223 units as reported by CoinMarketCap. This is a decrease of 0.18% over the previous day, 6.23% decrease in the last week and 7.23% decline in the last 30 days. With Shiba failing to sustain its upward momentum in the face of larger market volatility, these numbers show that traders are becoming cautious. ChatGPT anticipates decent revival by April 30. A short-term forecast from ChatGPT suggests a possible rebound despite the recent negative trend. By April 30, 2025, the AI model predicts that Shiba would have increased by about 2.2%, reaching 12.5 units. The prognosis is based on current market conditions and technical data which indicate a cautiously bullish mindset. As market mood settles and investor attention moves toward utility-driven assets, ChatGPT's forecast, which is more conservative than more speculative predictions, offers a realistically attainable goal. In order to put this prediction into perspective, developer faith and long-term vision Times tabloid has published an article that explains the development team behind Shiba's long-term plan. The Shiba Inu group has backed a prediction that the value of Shiba will rise 12-fold in the future as stated in the magazine. According to the report, the Shiba Inu team is quite optimistic about the token's potential for growth as evidenced by their support for a 12-fold price spike projection. Despite its loftiness, this forecast places more emphasis on the community's long-term goals than on short-term fluctuations in value. Shibarium and token burns are bolstering price rise. When attempting to predict future prices, fundamental changes in the Shiba ecosystem remain crucial. As more and more users and decentralized applications (DApps) join the Shibarium platform, its utilization has been steadily expanding. In addition, the continuous burn approach seeks to boost long-term price appreciation by reducing the overall token supply, which involves permanently removing huge amounts of Shiba tokens from circulation. To differentiate Shiba from other meme coins, these mechanisms are essential. Their practicality and deflationary nature make them a potential catalyst for future price increases. Is a 2% increase within grasp? Despite the unpredictability of the cryptocurrency market, ChatGPT has a 2.2% price increase forecasted